Have you ever noticed the way sometimes when you look at an object, parts of it are in light, where the light shines on it, and parts of it are in shadow or darkness, where there's no light shining on it at all? For instance, take a look at my face. Half of it's in darkness, and half of it is in light. Well, you can use this effect to create some great pictures. All you need is a photograph, and the idea is to try and look for those dark patches, or the shadowy patches on the photograph, and the light patches. And to help you do this, bring in a good old sheet of tracing paper. Now you'll find that the light patches show through more easily when the tracing paper is on, as do the dark patches. And what you've got to do then is to go round them, just trace round them, map round them, looking for those patches. There's a light patch there around her teeth. And don't forget also to go round the outline of the head. And you'll find, when you've eventually finished, you'll have something that looks like that. Now the next step is to take a dark crayon or felt tip pen and colour in those dark patches. There's one there, just right behind the eye. Then you take a light crayon or felt tip pen and colour in the light patches. And then all of the rest of the patches are coloured in with a medium crayon or felt tip pen. Now by medium, I mean one that's not dark or one that's not light. And there it is. You have what I call a psychedelic negative. And the great thing is you can use any colour you like, as long as one of them is dark, one of them is light, and one of them is medium. Looks a bit like a pop poster, really, doesn't it? Actually, you could try one of your favourite pop star, or even yourself. Mind you, I have to say, I've never actually seen anyone look like that. Have you?